ever feel stuck in life, then here is a story that can give you some tip to get unstuck. Radhanath Swami mentions this story in his book The Journey Home. One day, as he was swimming in the river Ganga, the river took him to a sandy shore. As he was trying to step on this sandy shore, he realized that this was a quicksand and his body was getting sucked in this quicksand. And the more he was trying to come out of this quicksand, the more the quicksand was sucking him. He didn't know what to do, was getting very desperate. At this point, he saw that there was a thorny bush which was his only hope. He caught that thorny bush and with his entire force, he tried to pull himself out, but that bush itself came out and his hands were bleeding. He became very hopeless. What to do in the situation? No one around to help him. That is the point, a turning point happens in his life. He takes a deep breath and he relaxes. As soon as he relaxes, he finds out that the quicksand doesn't pull him further. The more he agitates, the quicksand pulls him. The more he's relaxed, the quicksand gives him time. It doesn't pull him with that force. Slowly, he lays his body flat across the quicksand and inch by inch, he pulls him back to the river. And in this way, he comes out of the quicksand. Very simple story, but there is a very important lesson for all of us. The lesson is, we don't find solutions in life until we come to the mode of goodness. In the mode of passion, we are trying to find solutions. We are frantically looking for solutions, but we end up with more problems. We complicate the situation further. And in the mode of ignorance, people are so depressed, become so hopeless, you don't come to a solution. Radhanath Swami could find a solution out of this quicksand. He could get out of this quicksand because he chose to relax. Because he came in the mode of goodness, he could find a solution. Just like someone may lose a key and he may search all over the house, but when he's relaxed, he understands that the key was in his own pocket. He just didn't realize it. So the steps to getting unstuck, the first step is to relax. Generally, when we are in a problem, when we are in a crisis, we tend to panic. And the more we panic, the more the solution is away from us. But when we relax and we come to the mode of goodness, the solution becomes more clearer. Just like when Vali was trying to chase Sugriva, Sugriva ran across the entire world escaping Vali, trying to find a place which was safe, in which Vali couldn't enter. After trying to run around the entire world, he understood that the most safest place was next to his own house in Kishkinda. This was the curse of Matanga Rishi, and this was the only place where Vali couldn't enter. So many times, like Sugriva, we are trying to run away everywhere to find a solution, but we miss the solution that is very close to us. So when we relax in life, we come in the mode of goodness and solutions become more clearly visible. It is not that the nature of quicksand changed when Radhanath Swami relaxed, but he became aware of the nature of quicksand. So this is what the mode of goodness does. When we relax and we come to the mode of goodness, the nature of our problems become more prominent. We understand what the problems are and we come to the solution. Step 2, Radhanath Swami, inch by inch, he pulled himself away from that problem. He pulled himself away from the quicksand. Similarly, all problems don't have an immediate solution. We need to give time and slowly we need to come out of our problems. So in this way, if we can actually learn to live in the mode of goodness, if we can actually learn to live a peaceful life, we can find solutions to our problems. We think that when our problems are solved, we'll become peaceful. But the reality is, until we become peaceful, we will never find solutions to our problems. I was reading a very interesting story from the life of Sachinandan Swami. So Sachinandan Maharaj is a very senior disciple in ISKCON. So he mentions that whenever he has a deadline to complete a book and ideas don't come to him, he goes out in nature and takes a walk. He relaxes out in nature. And when he comes back, he has fresh ideas that come. So taking time to relax, taking time to breathe, taking time to walk in nature, these are very important principles. And these principles give us clarity to find solutions to the problems in life, and they can actually help us getting unstuck, coming out of our most difficult problems. Thank you.